What's up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm going to be making today is going to be some cashew butter banana bars. This was a recipe I saw on Facebook a long time ago, wrote down the ingredients, and I'm finally getting to it. Anyway, only 3 ingredients needed in this. The ingredients are going to be 5 ripened bananas. These were bananas that I had frozen, thawed them out, got them in this bowl. We need 2 cups of oats, and we need 6 tablespoons of cashew butter. The optional ingredient that I'm going to be topping on a few of these is just going to be some almond slivers. Anyway, this is one of those recipes that you just kind of throw it together. It's really not that complicated. We have our bananas in a bowl. I have about 6 tablespoons of this cashew butter that we're just going to go ahead and add to our bananas. And we're just going to go ahead and mash this together right now. And once we have everything mashed together like this is, and I did heat this almond butter up a little bit, or this cashew butter up a little bit, just because it's a little stiff when it's in the jar. So we got that. We're going to go ahead and add our oats to it. Kind of mash those, stir those in. Alright, we have this stirred in. What we're going to do is, I have a baking dish that has some canola oil spray in it. Now all we're going to do is throw all this in our pan. We're going to spread it out evenly, and it's going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. This came out of the oven about 45 minutes ago. Before I put it in, I did put some almond slivers on about 1/4 of this. I think it's now time to go ahead, cut these up, and see what we're working with. Alright, it's a wrap. Time to dig in, see what we think about these. I went ahead and we're going to store these in the refrigerator. I'm going to break off about half of this. These things right here are awesome. These are room temperature right now, but I think these things are even going to be better when they're chilled out. Anyway, nice, easy, 3 ingredient recipe. You know what? I don't really even think it needs the nuts on the top. So just roll with those 3 ingredients. Anyway, thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.